welcome to today's class. Student, in a previous class we had seen mathematical function. Now in today's class we are going to discuss about some string or text function available in MySQL. Some of them are upper function, lower function, substr function, length function, left function, right function, instr and trim function. First function is upper function, or we can say that UCase function. Upper function is used to convert a string from lowercase to uppercase. That is, we change all the character from lower to upper. Let's see the syntax. Upper of a string or UCase of a string. For example, student, select upper of computer. So output will be written as computer with all in capital letter or uppercase. Next function is lower function or LCase function. Student, lower function is used to convert a string from uppercase to lowercase. That is, we change all the character from uppercase to lowercase. Let's see the syntax. Lower of string or LCase string. Example, select lower of computer, then output will be written as computer with all in small letter or lowercase. Another function is substring function, mid function or substr function. Student, as the name itself says, substring, that is, it returns part of the string from the given string. Let's see the syntax. Substring, small bracket, string, comma, start, comma, and small bracket close. Student, if you want to extract the part of a string from given string, then you tell a string to the itself where you want to start and how many character you want. So these are the three parameters. First parameter is the string. Second parameter is where you want to start. Third is how many characters you want. So student, look at the example. Select substring information comma 3 comma 4. So information is the string and 3 is the starting position. 4 character you want to extract. So the output will be form. FORM. Next is length function. Length is used to determine the number of character in a string. Student, the length function returns the total number of characters in the string. Syntax is length of string. Now we can check one example. Select length hello world. So we can count a number of character in the string. The word hello has 5 character. After that there is one space. Then count will be 6. And the word world has 5 more character. Now the count will be 11. Okay. At the last there is one explanation mark is also there. So the total count reached to 12. So then answer is 12. But there is one thing you need to know about the length function is that length does not really count number of character in a string, but it estimates the space that occupied the string in the memory. The student, for this particular uh, installation of MySQL, one character uses 1 byte space. That's why we got answer is 12. Simply we can see length function return total number of character in the string. Okay. Now next function is left function. Left function return specified number of character from the left side of the string. That is, this function return first in character in the left side. Now let's see the syntax, student. Left str comma n. Let's understand what is mean by this. First parameter str is the string, and the second parameter n is the number of character that you want from left side of the string. Okay, let's see the example. Select left examination comma 4. In this example, we want to extract 4 character from the left side. So the output will be exam. That is the first 4 character. Next is right function. It is an inverse of left function. That is, the student right function return the specified number of character from the right side of the string. Here the syntax is write str comma n. For example, select right examination comma 6. It will return last 6 character from the string. So the output will be nation. Next function is instr function. It returns the position of the first occurrence of the substring. Syntax is instr str comma substr. Here the first parameter str is a string and the second parameter is substr. You want to know the position. Okay. It is used to find position of substring of the string. For example, select instr test string comma st. The student find the first occurrence position of st word in the string. Here we can see substring st occur 2 times in the test string, but the first occurrence is position will be the answer, that is the output will be 3. स्टूडेंट इस एग्जाम्पल में हमें एस टी वर्ड उस टेस्ट स्ट्रिंग में से या जो गिवन स्ट्रिंग है उसमें से हमें एस टी वर्ड की पोजीशन फाइंड करनी है, बट एस टी जो वर्ड है इस गिवन स्ट्रिंग में 2 टाइम्स आया है, बट जो फर्स्ट अक्यूरेंस थी जो उसका फर्स्ट पोजीशन था हम उसी स्ट्रिंग को लेंगे, दैट्स द रीजन आउटपुट विल बी 3. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज trim function. Let's see the use of trim. These are the 3 types of trim function. Ltrim, remove the leading space, that is it remove the space left or beginning. Next is rtrim. Rtrim remove the space from right side or end of the string. Last one is trim. Trim removes the space from both beginning and end. Let's see the syntax. Ltrim is str, rtrim str, trim of str. Example, select ltrim hello. There is a space in the beginning, so it will remove, so output will be hello. That is the beginning space will be removed. Second, select rtrim computer. There is a space the end of the string, so it will remove, so output will be computer, that is the end space will be removed. After that, third example, select trim hello world. स्टूडेंट यहाँ राइट साइड एंड लेफ्ट साइड दोनों स्पेस है, अगर हम ट्रिम फंक्शन का यूज़ करते हैं तो दोनों स्पेस रिमूव हो जाएंगे, देन आउटपुट विल बी हेलो वर्ल्ड विदाउट एनी स्पेस. स्टूडेंट जनरली ट्रिम फंक्शन का यूज़ मेमोरी सेव करने के लिए किया जाता है, बिकॉज अगर स्पेस लिया है और उस स्पेस का यूज़ नहीं है, अननेसेसरी क्या होगी, मेमोरी वेस्ट होगी, तो उस स्पेस को रिमूव करके मेमोरी को सेव किया जा सकता है, कुछ बाइट बचाई जा सकती है, तो हम ट्रिम फंक्शन का यूज़